Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm sharing my elderberry syrup recipe with you today. Enjoy. So I'm making elderberry syrup and I just thought, let me just take this and share it with you guys. So in here I have 2 cups of dried elderberry, whole elderberries, and I'm going to add cinnamon, about a teaspoon cinnamon. And that cinnamon powder, you can use the flakes or sticks. And I'm going to add this much of cloves. This is like a teaspoon. And the water I have in there is about 7 cups of water. So this is the Wellness Mama recipe, but I just adjusted some things and added extra stuff. Like I'm going to add rose hips, which was not in the Wellness Mama recipe. The reason why I'm adding rose hips is because of the added vitamin C. I just added ginger, about 3 tablespoons, and right now I'm going to add my rose hips. So that's my rose hips. I'm going to do about 1.5 cups of rose hips. Initially I did the recipe without rose hips. I learned about rose hips and they are full of vitamin C, and it is very good for the immune system. It also has a very nice flavor, so I'm adding that as well. I'm going to let this simmer. First it will boil and then I'll reduce the heat for it to simmer for about 45 minutes, and then I will take it off the heat, strain it, and after straining it I will add honey for flavor. I'll show you that as well. This is the bottle I used to use, and this I've had it, I think I've used it twice without washing, so this I'm going to clean it and that's where I'm going to put it. I'm thinking of making it in. So the total cook time was about an hour, and I'm straining it now. So after straining, you can use the chaff in your compost. What I did, I boiled it once again and I strained it and used it as tea. I drank it throughout the day. Alright, so here I have my honey divided in between these 2 jars, and I'm adding my syrup. Remember not to add it when it's still very hot, because you are going to destroy all the good stuff in the honey. And honey here is not just for flavor, but it's also to provide that antibiotic benefit to your body when you are fighting off certain illness. And this is it. I am going to show you in my next video all the stuff I use during the flu season. I'm going to show you where I get my vitamin C boost when I need it, and I'm also going to show you my probiotic, where I get my probiotic, and other stuff that I have for you. So subscribe and keep on watching. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.